What's up, guys? What's up, Tags? Today we got unopened $100 drinks. Unopened. Have not been drinking yet. And also, unopened chocolate. Stay till the end of the video to watch us begin all the
Fuck.
Moving on.
If you're seeing this, we are talking shit about you. There's only 5 people, so the chances,
There's only like
the chances of you being talking shit about
pretty high. 25%.
We have 3 friends.
Maybe 2. Honestly, I have 2 friends. I have you and Jay. That's all I have.
I have 1 more than you. I have 5 more than you.
So,
Yeah.
once I start soccer, I'm gonna have so many friends.
Mukbang. We have chocolate. They're
Pesto and It's very sexual, I don't.
This is insane. Bro, look, we're literally divided by the
racial
chocolate
barriers of the world.
because there's dark chocolate, light chocolate, and
white chocolate.
Okay, that wasn't funny. That was racist.
You know when there's like poetry and then you're like. That's what I was doing.
I have caffeinated ice, and I got strawberry citrus, and she got blackberry regular sparkling ice.
Yeah. Oh no! I dropped my wall.
I got a disease walking around the neighborhood spread.
Oh really?
Okay.
Try these.
I'm busting open this.
Oh, okay.
I'm going for. We'll open those first.
No, I want to go over here too.
I am going for
Wait,
dark
wait.
chocolate because I like dark chocolate.
I'm going. Actually, looks
Okay. Look familiar, anyone?
those FGs with DCs would get it. I'm doing milk. I'm doing milk chocolate again. Jordy. And dignity,
Yeah.
and honor,
Did it ever?
and American
Did it ever clock you
patriotism?
that I don't respect you and I'm standing on fucking business?
So creamy, so airy, so delightful.
At this point, we could low-key turn our channel into a chocolate channel.
Oh, wow.
Why do we want to do that?
Because we eat so much chocolate because we're...
I don't want to be a chocolate channel, please.
Okay!
I used to think I wasn't a big fan of chocolate, but I think I am a big fan of chocolate. That was my greatest impression.
Guy. I love this.
Thanks for sharing.
You're welcome.
Could we both eat a white chocolate just to go suffer? Wait, double decker.
Guess, what does this look like to you? Push! Push! I got the head! Wait, I'm not
Bro,
ready.
double up.
I'm not ready. I need a palate cleanser.
Look familiar, anyone? Call back to 5 minutes ago.
FGs with DCs, we get it.
It made the thing blurry. That's not gonna help.
There.
Did you just put it back?
No.
From dark chocolate to white chocolate. Isn't white chocolate not actual chocolate?
I don't know, I've never done research. It's just underwhelming. Like, it's good. It's just underwhelming after what we just experienced.
It just tastes like fucking cream. We edited.
IDK, bro.
Okay.
You just said a comment. Okay, moving on.
I want to show you my fucking Gucci so bad. Bro, no. Why?
Weird way. So
Paper. Stop that.
If you're unoriginal, can't come up with your own jokes, you have to copy mine. Loser.
Whoever got it from me.
No! That was my thing!
Nuh-uh. Can someone make it stop?
Oh, reaction, right? That's what's a Custo. Okay. I say we blind take one and don't look at it and try to guess if it's Custo or mozzarella.
Really?
Wait, not left. Yeah. It's my slam. Do you like a lighter or darker? Bro, looks so damn like that. Oh, no. No! Stop! It's good. No, higher. Good. I really want to live stream on Twitch. I feel like we'd get a lot of viewers.
Can we make a Mr. Butterfly Instagram so we can go live on Instagram?
I think, okay, don't look at the one you take.
Wait, show the camera though. Is it in the camera?
I don't know, I'm not looking at mine either. Okay, ready? Set. Go.
And then presto.
I bit my tongue.
Oh wait.
I think I have mozzarella.
Oh,
Well, because look,
oh, this is mozzarella.
this is pesto.
That's an FG with a DC.
Wait, freaking FG.
Oh wait.
These are actually fire. These are better than Rich. I don't know if they're better than white chocolate.
White chocolate?
Wait. Cheddar, sorry.
No, I think they are.
You like the most?
I don't know. I really like pesto though. My parents did.
oh my god! I can't imagine such a thing. Why are there so many FGs walking around the park? Maybe I can turn the lights down. It's got bread with a lot of pesto. It's very good. You just sounded like you had a dash cam. And who says I don't? Well, my buckle makes the impressions on the inside. That's 2 country songs in the span of 1 minute. Yeah. Unfortunately, I had to witness that. Can you stop like micro thrusting over there? Look at my toes peeling off. Don't touch the inside of my windshield with your toes, brah. It's too late. No, actually don't, brah. You're gonna leave toeprints and I can't clean that. I literally seen Jay's fucking the inside of her car. Right here. Oh yeah. And Scarlett's. Not Scarlett's, but right. I've actually left my mark in their cars. It's insane. Can you not do that, Remy? I'm watching Evie's video. What video? And catch that. Baby, like them roses and turn like a fresh plate of fucking pesto pasta. Yeah. Bruh. Put that in slow-mo.
I think get clipped.
Yeah.
Should we stop the video, Loki? I think we should keep ending our other one. Should we hit an intro and an outro first, though? Yeah, end it.
Wait, I was gonna say what's up, but then I realized that it's an outro. So, I don't have my script ready for this outro. So, you just enjoyed us eating. Bro, you actually... I'm blurred out. Anyway,
Okay, I think we should restart.
no, you have to get to the chase. Peace out, gang. Catch us on the next mug. Bang. You, do the hand thing.